Kising san perthai papher kilapin pawi ka jinglingo halor ka jingnang hiar ki priyo ki bawan thap vote lakalong ha election MP MLA but what ha election NPC ru yakani kilapin paw ha ka jingrakhe yak National Voters Day balapulong dak office jong ka Deputy Commissioner East Khas Hills ha ka ngini kong layo ru yak jingkran ka blingkot na ka District Electoral Officer ka kong Isawanda lalu ka bal IT ru yikidur thap vote shaki laingot ki badang sudap penrung kerteng thamai.
Because that more police stations should be brought in. So we have discussed this matter in our political parties, in our office, just recently about this, because we also prepare the National Voters Days in our office every year. So just now we have also finished our program from there. So with this kind of thought that everyone who has come from every part of districts, from our party workers, we have proposed that more police stations to be brought in for the newly electoral and to make them easier. That is one.
Number ten hagi board that we did that board. Ni bagilan di constituency itu badan tangsam 100%. Idan kita don 100%. Jika babul ba, kita babul hi kita suatu ya kayak bikin koridor dengan bikin kayak cukup board. Dia nak kalian kejong ni pun kau parti ni la persian. Ban lek hati kerja halaman lagi jong ban pensyai ban nyawer ni ban mai ni ke cincai nak kebentar ya ke baki ke suktu ya ke hok kepada sarkar ke ai ki ban tap ya ke jong kebun sistem sansne te ngakermen ban ngaji tu ni ya kalian juga sarkar ba kan tolong dia kerja awareness program hamal lagi senong kakak jaga ya ke penduduk saya ini kiwi pergi bentar dan mereka semua kini banai jadi hikai ini mati beri ujungi lagi pas itu kini dulu di bandar itu kita kali kawin kamu tahu ada don kartu kali hijau penting seni sampai tidak susahnya.
A major objective of achieving free and fair elections, but the theme we can see today is not just to achieve free and fair elections, because we find for us political parties, if our candidates win the election, you will see it as a free and fair election. But if our candidates loses the elections, we will start blame the DC, will blame the electric machine, will blame everybody. That is not fair and free elections. So free elections only if our candidates wins. But I believe that the team we are having today will change our mindset of our workers, of political parties, of our people to have a free and fair elections. And I request, is my feeling that the officers of the election commission, bureaus, no matter what we charge you, make sure that we should get a free and fair elections.
We have had this celebration for 11 years now. Why do we have it? You all know that it marks the establishment of the Election Commission of India. Way back, the Election Commission of India decided to commemorate this day, the day of its founding, as the National Voters Day, to remind all of us of our rights as voters, to remind all of us that every citizen of this country who has attained the age of 18, irrespective of where he comes from, what language he speaks, what religion he professes, whether he belongs to a rural area or an urban area, irrespective of his socio-economic status, has the right to exercise his franchise and to press that button, which is a critical role which he is playing in molding and in framing how our policies will be created. By doing this very, very important thing, he plays a role in determining who governs us.